Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Ivan! Ivan! Come. Ivan! Ivan, Ian, bring my bank card and my mobile money phone. Okay? And then you guys should make a list of the things you are sending to school. We are going to shop for your brothers. We're going to buy them a new fridge.
And tomorrow, can we buy what I want?
Honey, if you do that, I will die tonight. Listen, we're going to buy a new fridge, a new microwave. Listen, a new fridge, a new microwave, a new toaster, a new fruit making machine, a new blender, a new stove. I need curtains. I need somebody to paint the hostel. I need someone to fix air conditioning. Jeez.
So we are doing what I'm doing.
You people shouldn't do that to me. Money at a time, okay? We have to go and put air conditions in their hostel. We have to put fans. We have to put a new fridge, microwave, a toaster, a fish blender, a cooking blender, an iron, and hey James, Ian, right iron and ironing board, okay?
How about kids?
We need to buy new plates and glasses. We need new cutleries for them and their girlfriends.
How about?
We need a mini dining table. All my money is going for that.
How about kids paint?
Allow me to enjoy myself. Oh, let me enjoy that. Let me enjoy my balance before it becomes what it will be.
You don't want to play what I want to.
I'm enjoying myself with tears. Check the car and see if it is there. Let it remain. I'm enjoying myself in tears. Hey, wahala for who children they go university. I'm crying.
Well, I'm so happy.
I'm crying. I'm going to high sense by the time I leave there. Oh, milk. Do you know my children actually?
See the cry baby here?
You people are making me cry. You are spending all my money. And then, guys, my children specifically requested plates and glasses from Okadeco. Me pacho, who does that?
And kids paint.
I mean, when did you me free Okadeco? It was good. University for mommy.
Everybody, have you seen the cry baby over here? Have you seen? She likes crying too much.
Because you people like taking my money too much. Hello? Yesterday, your bicycle cost me what? 1,500. Just your bicycle. Mama, you are making me sad. You are your brothers, you're making me sad. You are eating all my money. I can't be a slave queen. Oh. I'm not even a slave. Oh.
Now, mommy is about
You are laughing. Please, I beg all of you. Allow me to enjoy my balance in my account.
You don't want to play my favorite song.
Yes, honey.
If you don't play
If
you don't play my favorite song, I'll waste all your money until you sleep.
You waste all my money. Baby, you are doing very well at waste. And baby, all of you should say, but that's it.
Mommy, do you want more money?
How much is a new fridge and a new microwave and a new toaster and a new blender and a new fruit mixer?
Mommy,
And then I need milk jam. Yay! Yes.
Have you
Start the car and turn on the AC.
Have you seen a slay queen like this? That she's crying. That she's the fan of everybody in Ghana. Have you seen her crying like this?
Yeah, but that. You see,
That's not how she's crying. That's not how celebrities cry like.
oh my goodness. I'm crying though. As we are going to the shop, this one, if she see anything, she's not going to university, but it will be her problem. You are the reason why I'm crying. You are the reason why the slave queen is crying, because if you go to the shop, what will you order? See your phone. Don't cry, I'm lying. If you cry, then I won't go. I won't go to the Oka again. I'm calling Moisha to come and take you. Why? Is she not your godmother? Please let me enjoy my balance and go, okay? By the time I come back, I won't have balance. But allow me to go in peace. Who is there?
Play that one.
How much will the video pay you?
Please.
Honey, okay, I can play that in the car, but let me buy it. Honey, come.
Thank you.
Wahala, but who?
That's not the single. That's not the song.
I never thought of bedspread and pillows. Am I going to buy pillows?
Pillow.
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 I should say pillow.
Pillow.
I will never say pillow when I'm going to buy pillow.
Let me see.
See what is happening. See, do you know what is happening? Do you know what's happening?
Bread.
I'm playing the song and it's playing the Bluetooth. It means fuck, let's go.
Bread. Ah! Mommy!
I didn't read it, John. Why are you taking it?
I was reading it.
Let's go, it's okay. Enough of fighting.
I was reading the thing. John took it out.
I'm not gonna take a whole day of fighting today, right? Can we travel in peace and come back? I love you. One thing, Penna, we didn't know. We have to buy them mop. Look at me. They need mop, they need broom, they need dustbin, they need shower curtains, iron and ironing board. They need, oh bitch, where are we going? We're going on the Sprinters Road.
Mommy, can you buy me a
Let's go.
bag?
Huh?
Can you buy me a bag?
What do you want? Listen to my daughter. What do
I
you
want
want?
a ear bag because my ears are dirty. Mommy, because
Honey, people got a lot of problems. I've got 2 boxes of earbuds in my cabinet. Mary! Mary!
Mom, should I go and see?
I'm just asking Mary to go.
Thank you.
When you need something, you just have to press. I'll pay earbud. You too will make them more money. Have they eaten your cocoa? She ate rice, she's fine. She ate all my rice, she's fine.
Allow me to enjoy myself.
Hey, Yabola, shut up! And Kola will come and make you them and I back home.
Hey, so what is it? I'm standing here with hey, thank you. Thank you. Hey.
Come here. Let me monitor that. Give it to me. Okay, one at a time. I told you I've got I've got chunks of them in my bathroom. I just won't put it in your bathroom because you misbehave. You have to put it in your ear.
What is misbehave?
Misbehave is you do it when you're not allowed to do it. When you're putting it in your ear, I should be there, or Mary, or your brothers.
My brothers are always there. Even John.
Honey, John is always there, but you do so many things that are wrong. I'm praying album.
Don't.
It's okay, clean your ear, let's go. And
Mommy,
remember
please
that
just
I
go in
still
the car.
love you, love you, love you. Do you know I'm still sitting? I don't have the energy to crawl.
And
Plus,
I'll carry you.
I want to download the song I was playing for free.
Mommy, why?
Because you're going to play it in the car.
I thought you said you played that song, but I will lie.
You don't like enjoy because you are chopping my money. And allow me to chop my money is paining you because you and your brothers are the reason why I love this song. Today, let me be blunt with all of you. Yes, it's the three of you. That's why I allow me to chop my money. You people are abusing my adult rights. Where's the key?
Then I have to tell my brother.
All of you are abusing my adult rights.
Then I'm going to tell you.
You don't allow me to drop my money, you drop my money. And even give me conditions. It's only me that my children can warn me and get away with it.
Listen how dirty my ear is.
Shame is so dirty. That means I'm a bad mommy, oh. Hold it well. Let's go. Oh, shit. The walking is the problem, not the standing or the dancing. The walking is the shit aspect. Nana, you didn't even turn on the light.
Because it's too late.
Maybe we're on. Oh, every problem to a solution. That's my daughter. Nana, I love you.
Mom, have you not seen the blood?
Where's the blood?
Look
Apart
down here.
Where's the blood? I can see blood.
Where I'm standing.
What happened there?
Have you seen the red thing there?
That's the blood of Jesus. Is that your blood?
No.
Exactly. It's the blood of Jesus. That's how.
Somebody's blood.
It's Jesus' blood, honey.
Jesus is dead.
Jesus, he died.
What?
Yeah, and he rose up.
But I wanted to see him.
You want to see Jesus? You have to die. You want to see Jesus alive? We will discuss it on your Instagram page so that you yourself will read the comments. I know come this world to suffer if I follow politicians. Who know like better thing? Mary. I must say I've missed the old house because of my knee. Hey. Show mommy why, Mr.
So dirty.
It's dirty, but now you're not the one who clean your dirty ears. If you think your ear is dirty, let's go to the hospital. The end will be what? Mary. Correctable. No, someone listening no my mind in my head then. I said me go to.
Mommy, my brother just calling you.
And come and no more chicken if you be around.
Oh, chips in the house.
Come on, no. Oh, my chips. This is not my bitch ass friend. I'm not Kwame, no. Dear.
And you see a convex window.
Senka, if you were Kwame so.
I'm going to be
Honey, I'm coming. I want to hurry. I should go fast. No, Mary Mobile mask, mommy. Why? Yay.
Mommy.
I'm coming, honey. I'm just left with one.
Why are you keeping it?
Penna. Pina.
Mama.
Pin, I'm not keeping
Mommy.
it. Honey, I don't walk like this, you know that.
Come.
Don't push me. If I fall, I can't drive.
Mom.
Pina. Ay! Okay, so who's holding me?
Me.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Mary was coming to help.
Are we going to walk like this in the mall?
Yes.
Hey. I wish you guys all the best today.
Ghanaians are into
Mommy,
this.
my butt is also baby.
All the best,
My
okay?
butt.
I'm just gonna sit
But I
in the
do
car
this.
and call a security. Go and get me a fridge. Go and get me a microwave.
Let me come. Mommy, breaking my back.
Bye bye.
My God.
Me so me sana me is me sa de yes. Stay ya. Em obi are.
My mommy, please
Now you take it.
Can you ride your bicycle behind us? You heard me.